Cement is one of the materials that has contributed the most to the progress of mankind in terms of economic and social development. Bridges, roads, hospitals, dams, wastewater treatment systems, and many other types of construction would not be feasible without cement and its main derivative, concrete, which have all helped improve the quality of life. The cement process begins with the mining of limestone, marl, and clay in quarries. These large blocks are crushed, ground, and mixed with other minerals. The mix is conveyed into the kiln at temperatures approaching 2000 Celsius degrees, where it is transformed into small granules known as clinker. The clinker is ground with gypsum to become a fine powder known as cement. We know that this process impacts the environment, which is why we have invested in a policy of sustainability as our business model for many years. But how? We are returning our exhausted quarries to nature, giving them a new lease on life by restoring them and reintegrating them into the surrounding landscape. Circular economy is also one of the levers for sustainable industrial development. In our country, landfills are still largely used for waste disposal. We need to change this system so that non-recyclable or non-recoverable waste is also viewed as a resource. The cement industry uses some of the urban and industrial waste that cannot otherwise be recovered. The waste is treated, biostabilized, dechlorinated, and converted into fuel for our kilns, thus reducing the use of non-renewable fossil fuels. Known as energy recovery, this process reduces emissions of CO2 and other agents such as NOx. In recent years, our industry has taken a major step forward by strengthening our dialogue and relationships with our stakeholders, and we expect to do even better in the future. We work every day to ensure that health and safety remain fundamental values in the culture of the cement industry. We also remain committed to our pledge to reduce the number of work accidents to zero. All of the above, together with our stake in innovation, allows us to produce high-performance, more environmentally friendly cements, making life on our planet even safer.